What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back into another video. Today we're going to be looking at the 5 top Metaverse crypto coins that you can potentially get your hands on in 2022. I'm sure you are very much familiar with what the Metaverse is by now, and because Bitcoin is now consolidating around these $20,000 levels and Ethereum floating around $1,000 levels too, we can begin looking at the projects which could be worthwhile accumulating and dollar cost averaging into. So we're going to look at the top Metaverse tokens. Here, of course, are some of the ones we all know about already, like Axie Infinity, Stacks. We've got the Sandbox, Decentraland. There's a few other really cool projects here, but I want to show you the 5 that I am potentially dollar cost averaging into today, as well as a new one which I really want to introduce to you because it could offer a massive 10 to 100x because it's in a phase of pre-sale, and we're going to have a look at that right now, guys. And this project here is Battle Infinity, and this project right here is an exciting project because it's the first decentralized blockchain sports-based NFT project that has hit the space yet to come. So it's called Battle Infinity, Multiverse of Metaverse. Battle Infinity redefining blockchain gaming, and the reason it excites me is because of the immersivity, the different sports that they've got available, and the fact that there's many staking opportunities where you can capitalize more IBAT, which is the native token of this particular platform. So it's not yet live, it's in a pre-sale phase, which I'm going to show you right now, and this is why I'm extremely bullish on it, because we've got 89 days until that is over, and that's mid-October, and we can see here the soft cap is 2000 BNB, which they're looking to raise for the to process the development itself. So this is the absolute floor amount of BNB they're looking to raise, 2,000, and they've got a hard cap of 16,500 right here. You can see the minimum BNB purchase is 0.1 BNB, so you don't have to have a large capital to get yourself involved with it, and it's really easy to buy this particular one. You just connect your wallet on the BEP20 ecosystem, and basically you just swap your BNB into the IBAT and you can buy EBAT directly that way. So the reason I'm bullish is because it is a project that is going to launch, and it's going to have a really solid roadmap where there's going to be lots of influencers, celebrities, and a solid marketing strategy will help push this project out into everyone's faces. And that's what's really important about these sort of things, is having a marketing plan, an ICO marketing strategy that really works. And I love how the website looks. They've got all these various products, BattleSwap, which is a DEX. They've got the Battle Market here. They've also got the Battle Games too, which is the multiplayer game store. They've got a Battle Arena as well, where you can create your own unique avatar, upgrade it cosmetically, and also the stats of the avatar itself. You can have battle staking, so you can actually lock up your your funds for an X amount of time, and I suppose the different duration of locking up will actually create a different APY. And you also get these things kind of similar to loot crates. You get a gold, silver crates which have different levels of loot in them, where you can actually win IBAT, which is a native currency too. So I'm really bullish on this brand new project. The tokenomics are really nice, 10 billion total supply. I really like the allocation of this 10 billion supply as well, and I really like the roadmap that they have right here written out for us, because they're sticking to the plan. It looks really bullish, and phase 4 looks like it can be absolutely massive for this project here. So check it out, battleinfinity.io, if you're keen to find out a bit more about this sort of thing. This is going to be project number 1 on my list, and I will be scooping some of this up in this pre-sale right here. Coin number 2 is going to be Decentraland, one of our OGs. You can see we're trading at 80 cents at the moment, $1.5 billion market cap. And the reason I'm so bullish is because we just look at the data in front of us right here. I mean, 1 year ago, we're looking at, this is November 2021. We were trading at $5.47. Look at the discount that we have offered to us today. We are at 80 cents, so we've corrected over 80% now. Things are looking good. Starting to give us a blast to the past of the levels around summer of 2021. We're back to those lows of summer 2021, as you can see, and it does make you think, okay, accumulation happened here, so accumulation could easily happen here too. It doesn't mean we won't come down lower. We could still possibly come down to lower levels. I'm not going to rule this one out, but I do think these levels are really undervalued, and through a bear market with enough accumulation, it should lead to a price explosion. So this is Decentraland, as we can see, great explore and trade in the first ever virtual world owned by its users. Really, really great stuff, very colorful, vibrant, and it's here to stay as one of the blue chip projects. You've got trading, you've got creation, you've got real immersivity. So that's why I'm so bullish on this project. Big developers, big partners, it's not going to go anywhere anytime soon. We can see Sandbox is up 2% today, up 8% against Ethereum. So that's really nice to see. Market cap of $1.4 billion, and look at the volume. Look at all the volume that's just come in during a bear market. That's nice to see as well. So on that weekly time frame, we are just chopping around these $1.10 to $1.20 levels. It looks like we had a nice double bottom reversal pattern play out over here, as we can see, and we're getting a bit of continuation to the upside. I would now be anticipating maybe we could target the $1.30 level over the next few days and weeks for this project. But when we look at the all-time data, we can see that we've floated back down to these levels that we last saw in 2021. Again, mass accumulation occurred around these ranges, and it reminds me of the bear market of 2020, where we were trading at 5 cents before seeing a huge explosion over a long period of accumulation. Here's the Sandbox website. We can see they've got a really nice store market. They've got the playing and the creating, a community as well, lots of new things going on, and I think, you know, it's just a great way to explore and express yourself in the metaverse on the Sandbox ecosystem itself. Really good to see. You can see they've got some raffle tickets here as well, so if you fancy doing that, you can hop over to Sandbox and do something like so. The next one for me is going to be SushiSwap. So this is coin number 4 for today on this particular list. We're only trading at $1.15, and the market cap is all the way down to $146 million right now. So when there's FUD, I usually do like to get quite bullish. You can see this project had some huge swing highs over $20 before, when we're in the peak bull market of extreme greed and euphoria. So we're back down to the levels that we last saw basically over here prior to the parabolic rally. And this parabolic rally over here from April or March 2021, we've been on a constant downtrend since then. You know, it reminds me of this sort of area here, of January 2020, where we just capitulated and fell into this supply phase. We're getting the same kind of thing happen at these price levels over here. So this is very reminiscent of 2020, just before 2021, where we exploded into the core bull market. This is SushiSwap. Be a DeFi chef with Sushi. You can swap, you can earn, you can stack yields, lend, borrow, leverage, all on one decentralized community-driven platform. So this is the huge hub of DeFi almost right here. Nice website, easy to navigate. They've got some big partners in the space as well. That's why I am bullish on SushiSwap, whilst everyone else is, you know, quivering in fear. The last coin for me is going to be Engine, guys. I think Engine is a really big one, and you should not forget about this project. I'm not shilling. Full disclosure, I don't actually hold any of this yet, but I am planning to, but I'm just waiting for the right entry level, and I think we're getting close. So zooming out, I mean, look at this. Putting through a bit of a double top here, a slanted double top, so we could see a bit more continuation to the downside. But the fact that we were all the way at $4.68 before, and now we're just at 50 cents, it's hard not to be bullish when we're back down to these prices of, you know, early 2021. That's why I am bullish. I am bullish when the market gets fearful, and we can easily see this market capital over here flip back into the previous market capital or all-time high, which was roughly around over here $3.93 billion. So we could still make another 10x, maybe even 20x on this project here, Engine Coin. It's here to stay, as we can see. Engine.io NFTs you can integrate with games and apps. Really nice website. It's all about non-fungible tokens. They've got products here. As you see, they've got the wallets, Affinity, the platform, marketplace. They've got solutions to problems that already exist in the cryptocurrency ecosystems. And they also have their own app, which is really nice. So stay aware of these project, guys. Don't sleep on them. Don't sleep in the bull market or the bear market. You should definitely use the bear market to research and find these gems which will explode by the next crypto bull market, because we don't know how long it can take. We don't know when we're going to get this relief bounce for cryptocurrency or come out of this extreme fear phase. But what we do know is these projects here have performed very well in the past, and they could do so very well again. So don't forget to check out the Battle of Infinity 2. This is a pre-sale. It's 89 days is when it ends, so they are looking to basically sell out, and I'm really bullish. I think so far I read on the Telegram about $40,000 worth has already been invested into this project, but if you get in early, that's when we can see the massive explosive gains for a project like this. So I'm going to be grabbing some probably at the end of this week and do a bit more research myself. I think it's absolutely fine to research, find out a bit more about the project, but you can see, you know, they strive to be one of the best metaverse projects out there and even compete with Axie Infinity. So that's why this is project number 1 on the list for me, and I love myself a pre-sale. Anyhow guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, comment, like, leave a comment down below. Please let me know what you think of all 5 of these projects and which ones you might be buying. Don't forget to also hop yourself into my Discord channel, because we've got a real great community here actually, and lots of people of different skill levels. You might as well come say hello, because we're all talking about different things every now and then, and why not grow and learn together. Anyway, see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.